is unmanifest. Akshara, immutable, changeless. It is the same in the past, the present, the future. This avyakta akshara ityukta, whatever that is indicated by these, tamahu paramam gati, that is called the paramagati, the supreme goal to be reached. Meaning that goal, that state of consciousness is avyakta, unmanifest. None of your instruments of experiences can experience it as an object. And it is akshara, is immutable. All changes are taking place in him, but he is changeless. And this is called the supreme state. Having thus indicated the supreme state, now you have to experience it. That's the difference. He is trying to give you the information about it. And one more added information. Yam prapya nanivartande. And whoever having once reached that state, nanivartande, that individual cannot ever return back to the old stupid idea that I am a limited creature, a mortal, a finite one. Just as when you are woken up from the dream, you cannot re-enter the horrible dream. You understood your true nature. Thus once you are woken up to that infinite state, it being beyond time, it is permanent, eternal, immutable, changeless. Yam prapya nanivartande, taddhama, that state, paramam mama, that is my supreme state. Ma means not a Devaki putra, but it is for you to sit down in your contemplation and assert what the Gita says. I am, that is my true nature. My true nature, when Krishna said, don't think that it is Devaki Putra saying. He is giving the instruction how to contemplate upon. Sit down in your seat of assertion, seat of meditation, contemplation, and assert that I have wasted millions and trillions of years misunderstanding that I am a limited, helpless, hapless creature. No! That is only when I am looking at my body, mind and intellect. But once I am undressed of all these matter vestures, what is the permanent, the eternal, the immutable, by whose light I had had all my experiences shining in my knowledge? That pure consciousness is my true nature.